Are you currently using your IRA or other qualified plan to invest in a master limited partnership, LLC, or other business that does not pay corporate tax? If you answered yes to this question, you may need to comply with Unrelated Business Income Tax, or UBIT for short. You might be asking yourself the question, what is Unrelated Business Income Tax, or UBIT? And why do I have to pay tax on an investment in my IRA? Although you may have this widely unknown and misunderstood tax, don't let it prevent you from investing in otherwise potentially lucrative investment opportunities. First, there's no reason to be fearful of UBIT or consider UBIT as a threatening tax. In fact, you will learn throughout this video that UBIT is not bad, it's not illegal, it's simply a tax your IRA pays when investing in a business that does not pay corporate tax. IRA owners investing in operational businesses such as limited partnerships, LLCs, or master limited partnerships, MLPs, embrace the UBIT tax as they understand the process and can make financial sense out of it. So the real question we all want answered is, how do I minimize the UBIT in my IRA investments? There are a handful of ways and methods to mitigate some, if not all, of the UBIT you would otherwise incur. Be sure to enlist a tax professional that has extensive experience with UBIT and 990T filings so you can take advantage of all of the allowable deductions and expenses that can lower your tax liability. Now that we better understand what UBIT is and how it affects our IRA, the next step is to understand the process. First, you must determine if the investment is generating unrelated business taxable income, which we already discussed. Then you must determine how much UBTI, or unrelated business taxable income, is actually generated. If it is more than the $1,000 special deduction allowable by the IRS, or if you wish to carry forward a net operating loss to offset future gains, you are required to file the associated 990T tax form. Next, if UBIT is owed, your IRA must obtain an Employer Identification Number, or EIN number. This is the tax ID used for the tax filings. The Form 990T is filed under the EIN, and any taxes due must be paid from the IRA account. Next, you prepare Form 990T at both the federal and state level and any additional applicable tax schedules. Finally, you must file Form 990T with the IRS and any state taxing authorities and pay UBIT owed electronically through the electronic federal tax payment system. Now that you have the basic understanding of UBIT and the process to file the Form 990T, what are the next steps for you? If you know you've incurred UBIT or you will incur UBIT, you have three choices to comply with filing Form 990T. First, you can do it yourself. Now keep in mind the IRS reports it can take you over 140 hours to obtain the knowledge and education you need to file the Form 990T. Second, you can hire or have your CPA or other financial professional complete the forms for you. Because this tax only applies to a small percentage of people, most CPAs and tax practitioners are unfamiliar with UBIT and Form 990T preparation. Therefore, you'll likely be paying for them to get up to speed on the nuances of the preparation process. We have worked with many CPAs and other professionals who decide UBIT is not the best use of time, and they enlist UBIT Professional to save their clients time and money. And then last, you can enlist our services to assist with performing the calculations and preparation of Form 990T and all other tax forms required. If you're ready to enlist a tax professional today who specializes in UBIT 990T filings, call us or fill out the Contact Us form for a free one-on-one consultation. If you aren't sure whether or not your investment has incurred UBIT, we have a diagnostic tool for you that you can download here and answer the three simple questions. If you want to learn more about the technical nature of UBIT and use all the necessary materials to file yourself, download our free Do-It-Yourself kit. Thank you for joining us, and take advantage of our free tools offered on today's video.